Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your local Tractor Supply. So, let's dive in. To get us started, we're going to check out a few DeWalt items. We have this water seal box here. You can check this out if you need an item to maybe put in the back of your truck, or if you just want some type of item for all your tools, this is a great one for you. We also have the drive socket set here for 40 bucks. Again, DeWalt's a great brand. I have something similar to this and I love using it. We also have the fiberglass tape here for $20. You get to save $5 off of that. So that's a solid deal for that one, especially if you're going to be using it often. Again, it's going to be a great thing to keep in your pack or in your vehicle. Then we also have a tape measure here for $28. You get to save $2 there. I do have a brand just similar to that one, and it works really well. We also have another DeWalt item right here. You can see this one for $170. So if you need that one, you can definitely grab that. Pretty good price right there, especially DeWalt. We also have the drill and grinder combo kit here for $2.99. You get to save $50. We also have another option here for DeWalt. We have their larger stand-up tanks here. You can save $50 on these. Then you can also grab a set of these. You get to save $50 here. Again, good price for this Champion item right here. You can have one of these little generator you can keep on site. You also have some tie-down straps. You get to save $5 on those. Always a great thing to keep in your vehicle. Then we have the DeWalt brushless impact wrench for $250. You get to save $50 on that. Again, another solid deal right there for DeWalt. A lot of good DeWalt deals going on right now. Also have some fuel treatment here for $7. Get to save $2 on that. So if you were planning on grabbing that, might as well go ahead and save you a couple bucks. Then also we have another mechanic in a bottle, $10 here. You get to save $3 off of that. So again, another solid deal. Save a little bit of money. Then you can also save $80 right here, $80. Get this for $250. Earthquake option. You can definitely grab one of these, save you a little bit of money, and get a good deal on that. Also have some more 10W50 oil for $50. Grab that right there. We also have the engine maintenance kit for $60 for Kohler. Again, a pretty good deal for that one. Then we also have the annual ryegrass seed on sale. You get to save $10 off of this. Go ahead and grab some of those. And then also on clearance, we have a couple just weed killers as well. Grass and weed control with root kill. Then a few more clearance items. You can see this one here for $16. Again, trying to kill some weeds, stop some weeds. A lot of these are kind of near the end of their season, but it's always great to grab these and use them for next year. Then we also have the Roundup large bottle as well for $32. Again, another great price there. Then we also have some deer corn on sale for $7.99. You can grab some of that. Then also select sprayers. You get to save 20% off of these. Then we get to some of my favorite items right here on the clearance section, and you can see these things are packed with all kinds of fun stuff. Some scissors, all kind of little different DIY options. Again, some great prices on these. Again, you can just see all of these items. I always love checking all of these out, seeing what might be available and something I could probably put in my pack or maybe even my hunting bag or any kind of thing like that. It's always fun to grab these and see, again, what is here. And then on the other side, they had a lot of knives on sale. You can check out all of these knives and also flashlights and just other kind of fun DIY plier sets and stuff like that. Great things to always grab and keep with you. Then next up, we see the shallow well jet pump here. You get to save $50 on this one for $250. Great price for that. County line, solid deal right there. Then we also have the shallow well jet pump as well right here for $450. So again, another great price. Check that one out. If you need any of these, you can definitely check some out and go ahead and grab these. Then we have the submersible utility pump. I have a couple of these. I recommend them. You always need them for different things, whether we drain our pool or maybe if we have a problem, we can always drain some stuff pretty quickly. Definitely a great thing to grab. We also have the wiper blades. You can grab these for $6. It's a great price for those right there. check and see if they might be fitting on your vehicle or if you might be interested in them. $6, pretty good deal. Get to save a significant amount for that one. Then we also have a deal right here for $40. Get one of these tarps. You can definitely do that. Solid price there. Then we have the adjustable options right here for $8.50. Little Cargo Smarts. A few other options right there. Different gauges, different sizes. You can see all the different prices as well. So in case you might need some of these. Also have a couple different sets of screws and different items right here. Again, some hardware for any items that you might need. Again, some great deals. They always have some good stuff on these type things. They also right here for $6.50, the weld-on D-ring. Then we have the double J-hook for $13.99. Get to save $2 with this one. So if you need a few of these for some heavy-duty straps, you can definitely grab those. We also see the Bungee Cargo Net, $20. It's a great thing if you're going to have stuff on your vehicle in the back or anything like that. Also have the kerosene can here for $18. Great deal for that one. Then we also see the replacement spout here for $10. So if you need a better spout than the one that you have, definitely worth trying one of these and see if it works a little bit better than yours. Then we also have $5 off full synthetic motor oil. So you can grab some of these if you're going to be changing your oil or just use it on different projects. We also have the silicone lubricant here for $6.50. I've used some of this recently and worked pretty well for us. Also here for $21.99. Got the exhaust cleaner. So I've used this and actually on one of my vehicles, one of my vans, and it did a really good job. So if you need one of those, if you have one of those catalytic cleaners, you can check it out. Also have some washer fluid here for $9. Then we have Turf Master Tire, $100. You'd save $20 off of that. Solid deal right there. Then next we have the adjustable coupler lock. Get to check this out for Master Lock here for $38. If you're going to be locking up your trailer or anything like that. Also have the hitch step here for $100. Then another set of orange camo tie downs. Get to save a little bit of money, and these look pretty cool, especially in the woods this fall. Then we have a couple other options right here on some savings. If you need to do a little bit of sealing, you can grab some of this, some leak seal, flexible rubber options right here. So a couple different deals, a couple different options for these. Get to save a few dollars on each of these cans. You can go ahead and stock up, save a little bit of money there. Then we also have some paint. You need to grab some of that here for $38. Painting some of your farm equipment. Again, another option right here with the Oliver Green for tractor, truck, and implement. Then we have another option here for school bus yellow for $30. So if you need to grab some of that, paint some of your items around the house, you definitely can. Also had some of their drop cords on sale here for $15 with the JobSmart brand. Always great to have a lot of these around because you'll definitely need them. Then we have a couple of our smaller items on sale. Got a little copper ring here. A bunch of these items are on sale. Again, $2.99 for a lot of these items. So you can save a little bit of money and grab some of these. Maybe even stock up if you need some. But we have the female coupling here as well on sale. You can definitely grab one of those. And then we have just a few more options right here for couplings and different items like that. So again, you can see some of these prices, pretty good deals, pretty good prices, especially if you're going to be using these pretty often. You can go ahead and grab some of these and save, 50% off right there. You can get some of these for half price. You can see a lot have been picked over at some of my stores. You can let me know at yours. Then we also have the universal flapper. Just go ahead and grab one of these. Keep it in your house because you're definitely going to be replacing this every couple years. Then a couple other slip nut washers here for $2. Pretty good option. We also have the faucet aerator here for $4. Grab that, save a little bit. And then we also have the sink tailpipe here for $229. Again, great thing if you're going to be working on the sink or changing anything out like that. And guys, just a reminder that I have opened up memberships for the channel. So if you're interested in getting these videos earlier before anyone else, you can definitely do that. Join the channel membership and you can get these videos early. Also, I'll give you guys a shout out as well, and thank you all so much for jumping in and getting part of our membership. But if this video has been helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe. Also, let me know what you plan on grabbing at Tractor Supply this September, and I will see you in the next video.